Okay, so guys, hi, and today we are going, well, this is going to be a fantastic day. We are going to play Nerf guns, and Teddy's going to have this one. Couldn't find the bullets. Teddy Dad, Teddy gets lost. That video. He'll be using this gun. Teddy, this gun. This is how Teddy's going to shoot. I'll be holding on. He'll be shooting like this. Other Teddy, same thing. Go with the mega. Okay, so let's get this started. I'm going to set this up here. Can anybody see that good? Okay, so we going to have Teddy tries to shoot. Second, Daddy-O. So he will be right here, and if Teddy misses, he can, and then other Teddy, they switch spots. Okay, so here we go. Teddy, Nerf gun in his hand. Wait, we need to cock it first. Okay, Teddy is ready to fire. Can you guys see it? And we missed. Okay, Teddy gets his bullet back. Teddy gets his bullet back. Okay, so now Big Teddy goes down there. So, there's Teddy, and we're gonna do the real work after they're practicing. So, here is Daddy-O's turn. Okay, so here we go. Oh, need to cock that. And he missed. Oh, dang. That went back. Don't worry, guys. I have some more bullets. Just give me a sec, and I'll be back. Okay. We are back. And we have this. Okay, so he missed. I don't want to forget to cock that. There's Teddy. And don't forget to cock that. And this will be the last one. Have we shot anybody yet? So, here's Teddy going. He missed. Well, we going to have to do the war, but except if you guys we will, well, actually I kind of wanted to fit in my Lego guys in my fight there, and I'll show you that, and maybe I'll show you my football cards. But if none of you are interested in my football cards, well, if you guys aren't interested in this video, you can, you don't have to like it, but I'm okay if you don't like it. Just, I'm going to get my Legos. Just gonna set Teddy and this Teddy to the side, but if you think it's weird that I'm in my pajamas, I am just getting ready for bed. So, I'm gonna go and get my Lego guys. here we go. I'm going to flip the camera here. Here we are. And if you can see, Spider-Man's head got chopped off. There's some bombs right there. And Santa Claus and Hulk are riding. And Fred Tide and Black Panther's riding. Ray. And another spider. Well, this guy's made by Fat. And we do have Spider-Man and Aquaman fighting. Focus on those guys. Okay, so wait. Okay, so here's my Legos. I'm just going to bring that back for just 2 seconds. So, 1 sec. This is a very fragile piece here. I built it. It took me like hours. Oh, I forgot my football cards. Okay, so guys, I'm back, and here's my football cards. Brody's legendary football cards, and I'm going to open it up, and now for the first card, I have Mike Gatlin from the Chicago Bears. This is hard to get back in, but oh jeez, where did I get this? Oh, that's why. That folds up. Now, I don't know everybody, but this is Ryan Okropa. I can't. Can you guys see it really good? Okay, so there's that guy, and we all know Carson Wentz. There's him. Okay, so we have Carson Wentz. And then, oh, I do collect really good ones, like Joe Namath. Yeah, Joe Namath, Jets. And then we have this guy. He's a college guy. Caden Carey. Wait, yeah, Caden Carey. I don't really pay attention to college. Put that in wrongly. Okay. So I have the next ones. Nobody really likes them. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This 3-stage card that has Joe Montana, Roger Carriage and Jerry Rice. Bottom one, and the back just shows them all. So, guys, we will be done for today. I will be doing more of these. So, goodbye for today, and don't forget to give a good thumbs up and notifications.